Hello. Today we're going to try a dimple lock. It's got a nice picture of a strongman on the front. I've no idea what brand that makes it, but we'll give it a go. Little nice round tension wrench out of my dimple pick set. And we're going in just with a flag with this lightsaber. Let's see what we can do. Very light tension, as always. And there's nothing happening at all. Right, let's try again. That's better. I can feel the pins at least. Oh, nice little false set there. Right, we're just going backwards and forwards, feeling for anything that binds. On that pin there, we're getting a little bit of counter rotation. And a slightly bigger false set. That's a good positive sign, I hope. Bigger false set, there's one at the back just gone there. Even bigger false set. It's teasing me. I think I've just overset one there. You swine. Let's just see if we can pop that one back up. There we go. You swine, come on, where are you? Right, so there's a pin there gone. We're in a lovely position, getting false sets with everything. But somewhere there's one pin, and I believe I'm down to one pin now. It just needs to let go, and I think this is it. Got ya! There we go. I love this lock. It's so nice to pick. It's so responsive, it talks to you. You can understand what's going on. You've just got to be very gentle, very methodical. Just gently turning, feeling for each key. It's brilliant. I could keep this, but I'm not going to. Right, thanks for watching. Hopefully at the end of the video I'll have a picture of the pins for you. Failing that, I'll see you next time. Cheers.